Love your water. Get your water. Okay.
Mama, you please take from that.
No, don't bring it. That's daddy. Ay, hindi. Ako na lang mag-ano nito. Sa daddy na lang. It's okay. Yeah, sakay ka na doon. Okay. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, princess. What are you doing now?
So, mommy.
During mommy?
Ato, with teacher,
Finish your school?
Yes.
Oh. What are you eating in the school? What are you eating there?
I don't know.
You don't know? The egg and the liver? The manok atay? You forgot? You forgot your ulam, my love? Alam ko, ano lang to eh, may upos-upon pa to. Hindi pa talaga siya totally gumaling. Yan ang pinigil. Are you sure? You forgot your ulam there?
Mommy, find
I see your drawing.
it.
Okay, mag-ano tayo ng... Bukbasan muna tayo ng ano, love. Monday, Tuesday. What is this? This one. Oh, mag-read ka dito. What is this? Magbasa tayo. You have to read it, my love. Read it. Oh, kasi kita natanaw ni teacher.
No.
This one. Bad yan. Bad ang bata na yan. This one.
No, I want to do this.
Later naman ang drawing. Magkano muna tayo. Ito, oh. Monday, Tuesday.
Kids yan, Kids.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
But you need to read saglit lang, then mag-drawing ka. O, dito. What is this? What is this? What is this? What ano is this? Otoko! Okay, sleep na, my love. Okay, you sleep. Oh, hide. Okay, it's already 2 p.m. na here. My love.
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, sleep na. Okay. What is this? Basahin mo to. What's that? Princess, what's that? Princess, read it. Read this. What's this? Aha, hindi nakinig. Princess, what's this? Sa ginabuhatan ni Di ay.
Ano?